A legacy begins with a dream. And passion, determination, and discipline are all the ingredients you need to make that dream come true. Phillip Solutions. We build financial confidence and come to the table with endless solutions for your real estate, construction, or lending needs. We help our clients tackle what they once thought was impossible. We take pride in ourselves by opening doors to a better future and giving you the keys to help you and your family navigate this maze with ease and already proven results. Along with our private and group trainings, we offer online courses for even more in-depth training that allows learning at your own pace and convenience. Make your money work for you. We are here to guide you step by step and to provide you knowledge that you need to create success like never before. Let us help you create generational wealth. With our partners, we will lay the cornerstone that will later become milestones to celebrate. Have the freedom and the lifestyle that you deserve on your terms. You ask the questions, we provide your solution. And don't forget, we've got your back. Phillip Solutions. Visit us at www.phillipsolutions.com.